Salam dostor! It is time to share with you our April highlights. This month, we launched an EU-funded project about reforming public finance management for sustainable development goals. Its purpose is clear: to help make public finances more efficient, more transparent, and more accountable. Because public money should always work for citizens. April also gave me the pleasure of meeting talented young people. At Alato International University and the Kyrgyz National Technical University, I spoke with students and faculty about today's global challenges, the EU's role in the Central Asian region, and how the next generation can shape the future. Their curiosity, energy, and ambition were truly inspiring. And today, I'm meeting with the Youth Sounding Board, a group of young people who advise the EU delegation. We also visited many very different EU-supported projects in Bishkek, implemented with our trusted partners, the United Nations and the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development. At the Center for Family Medicine, we saw how digital tools can make healthcare more accessible and more responsive. At the Garment Factory, we saw how expert advice and modern equipment can boost productivity and exports. And at the Language College, we saw how a new IT laboratory can strengthen Kyrgyzstan's place in the international education market. To all our partners in these projects, I want to say well done, tak держать. So, as you can see, April was not only the month of blossoming cherry trees, it was also a month of progress, partnership, and optimism. Stay tuned as we continue talking with you about our work. Yakshi turunuzдар!